Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Emily and in today's video I will be creating this super cute 3D box, and I'm using the new 3D Easter display box. And you can see it here on screen, all the pieces that comes with this box. Such an adorable set. I'm using a green cardstock from Make a Forte. It was released a long time ago and I don't even actually know if the company is around anymore. But I had it in my stash and I thought it was a perfect green for an Easter box. So I'm just trying to align my pieces here for the outside. So this is the box part itself, so to speak. And I run them through and I will go ahead and score for all the score lines. And you can see here it wasn't too many, so it was just one at each side, and you can see the cute bunny shape here. And we can go ahead and attach all the sides to this one, so you can see how easy this was to put together. It really comes together nicely. I haven't seen a tutorial for this, so I figured out the placement of all of this myself. So it might be another way to assemble this that I haven't done it in the exact same way as somebody else. But the main thing is that you should just be happy with the project and how it turns out. So make sure that you like how all the pieces are looking, and then you can just go ahead and attach everything. Sorry, took me a second here to get my glue going, and I cut a white bunny. I thought that would be cute. You can see the beautiful stitching on this layer. You can see it doesn't look pretty down there, but I will cover that part off. For this part, this particular part, I actually turned it to the opposite side and then run it through once more, so I got the stitching all the way across. Otherwise this piece is the one with the bunny, so but that is how I did it to get the stitching all the way around. So I just wanted to point that out, and you can see how our box is turning out. This is the bottom, and I probably should have done this before attaching my pretty pattern here. I'm just running my nail underneath it so I can get it to open up a little bit, and then I can put it inside with some adhesive and I can hide that fold. Otherwise I could have done it so it's on the outside and just cover it with a new piece of paper, but I didn't want to do that, so this was the second best I could do. Just having some liquid glue. This went super fast just to press it in place. It was no sort of mess here, if that makes sense. It was just very snug fit and I love it. The box is pretty much finished. I'm just using my bone folder here to clean up all the edges, and then I have the paper here to decorate all of the sides. I decorated the outside and the inside, and the paper collection I'm using is from Simple Stores and it's called Bunnies and Blooms. I don't know if this is available anymore. I picked it up on a sale here in Sweden, so I don't know if you can get it, but you can probably look for something similar if you like to use soft springy colors. There is a bunch of companies out there doing beautiful creations, and I just love how this turned out. I think it's so beautiful. You can see here I'm just using some liquid glue to the inside as well, and the box is pretty much completed. So when I was happy with this, I took a break. I just assembled the feet for my box as well. But then I started working on another thing that I wanted to have inside of this box, and that is the ice cream bunny. Super cute die set, and I thought that would be the perfect sort of embellishment to have inside of this. You could have some chocolate and then you can have these ice cream. I think my kids would go cray for them. They are such a cute die set. I hope you can see here on screen how sweet this is. It's meant to create this shaker, and I have this foam strip that you definitely can use to fit around if you don't like using foam and just cutting that layer. I have a hate-love relationship with foam. It has to be the right one for me to love it. I think I'd rather stack pieces of cardstock than using foam, but I was lazy, so I will go ahead and use that foam that I just shared on screen. I'm just backing this with some acetate, so I have my shakers ready to go. And when I had fiddled around with my shakers, you can see here I'm just using some small confetti hearts in springtime colors. I just love these colors. They are really pretty. I also found some chicks in my stash, so I'll go ahead and use them as well. You can see the shaker is the same color as the background, just that checkered pattern. I think that is just adorable. Love how this turned out. And then we can do the same thing for the second one. I used the purple paper for this one. Super sweet as well. And I will have the same fillings on this one, some chicks and some eggs. And then we can layer this on top. For the down part, I chose a sort of a busy paper, but I think it turned out cute. Some pink for the inside of the bunny's ear. And then we will also attach the bunny features here in a second. So we will have a mouth and eyes. Yeah, so cute. Such a cute project. I know my kids would love to have these and love to put them together as well. Something I did with the eyes off camera was just to take a white gel pen and make a dot inside of them. I decided against the eyebrows for my project today. It could have been cute just to have the nose in pink as well. If I would do this again, I probably would do that. Such a cute project. And for the box, I also wanted a sentiment, so I chose the one that says spring. And this comes from the Easter words number 1. And I decided not to have it there. I thought of making a bow or something like that as well. Decided not to do that. For this one I used a pink cardstock and made the nose pink. Such a cutie. Love how this turned out. For the whiskers, I cut them out of black cardstock as well. And I will attach them to both of the sides. You can see here is the whiskers. I will just press them in place. Probably not, I probably didn't do it in the same way for both sides, but I think it's a homemade project, so it's okay. I think it turned out cute. Sorry I'm a little bit off camera here. I have the paws here for the bunny. Cut them out of white cardstock as well. Raise them up with some foam. I will locate them somewhere else here in a second as well. I will have another sentiment, and I will use the flip box die set. There is 2 dies that creates a label. And then I use the new stamp set called Easter stamp set of 2025. I use some purple cardstock that matched my pattern paper, and I pressed this down in white pigment ink. Use some white embossing powder, heat set that off camera and cut it out. Sorry, I'm a bit off camera here. I will have it so that the bunny holds a label. Such a cute one, and the spring will go in front. I will have the feet here and then the spring on top. So cute! I love these bunny feet. I think it's just adorable. I'm just fiddling around here. So it will say spring. And then I fill it with some tissue paper. I have this Kinder egg. It was an older one from my kids. I just found it around the house. Decided just to share with you how I was thinking maybe something like this for Easter to give to my kids. And I will probably fill it up with some more candy, of course. But I just love how that turned out. I think it's such a cute project. And I think you could cut all of the pieces out and make the kids create it itself. I think that would be a fun idea as well. So thank you so much for stopping by my channel today. I hope you got inspired to create something. I will have links down below for you to check out all of the products that I used. Thank you so much, and I see you soon. Bye!